packed full of fragrant herbs and a splash of chilli. These Thai-style pork patties are delicious. Hey guys, Jeremy here from School of Wok, London's premier Asian cookery school. It is Wok-less Wednesday, and this week it's Thai-style pork patties. Now these patties start with this toasted rice, and it's just basically dry rice grains that you just toast. And I've toasted them off in a dry pan until they're golden brown, and then get them into a pestle and mortar, and you get this lovely sort of quite coarse, nutty, grainy flavour. It's kind of like, well, it's exactly the same as sort of all the ingredients in a Thai larb, but we're making patties out of it. Now my auntie used to make these sort of almost like Chinese style burgers to go with as a side dish to your rice, and I absolutely loved them. And this is a Thai version of that, let's say. Got some lime leaves here, garlic, lemongrass, ginger, the core of Thai cuisine, and everything just needs to be finely chopped. So I've got all my finely chopped ingredients here, my ginger, garlic, chilli, lime leaf, lemongrass, as fine as you can get it. I'm going to add a couple of spoons of this toasted rice grain into there, and then season this up with some fish sauce and a little pinch of sugar, about half a teaspoon, 1 egg. Oh, coriander. Got some coriander here as well, which I almost forgot to put in, just roughly chopped. Stalks and all, there's a lot of flavour in the stalks of coriander. And you might see sort of some sort of Chinese, Thai sort of meatball dishes that have corn flour in them, but with that toasted rice grain, it kind of does the same job, just adds a little bit more of a bite. I give that a good massage through, get all the flavour through the meat. And then I am going to use my dim sum binding technique in a second to bring this all together and get nice smooth patties. So once everything's sort of well massaged in, then just cup your hand, no gaps, fingers close together, and you should just be able to scoop up that ball of meat and then flick it into the bowl. And you want to do this sort of 10 times. And really, like, what you're doing is pounding the air out of the sort of grains of meat. And that'll bring this together really well. And what you'll find after you've done it a few times is the meat itself looks a lot sort of paler. So that pale pink colour, and it will be, each ball will be sort of one smooth mini burger. So you want to make up sort of, I don't know, large golf ball size meatballs, and then just flatten them, very rough and ready really. Got this water nearby just to help shape the balls of before I make them into patties. What's also quite nice is just a little sprinkle of any extra toasted rice crumb. You get this nice sort of crunch around the edge of the patties. Medium to high heat. Get these frying. Oh, I can smell all those spices cooking very quickly. A little bit more toasted rice, why not? Easy as that. So that sort of pounding of the meat before I shaped it all, so somehow like it binds it all together, but it creates almost like a slightly bouncy texture of the meat And you can see that as it's cooking, sort of pressing into it. Once the meat patties are half cooked, then you're going to flip them. Get this lovely golden brown, sort of light crust on the edge of your little burgers. Once both sides are nice and golden brown, it takes about probably 3 to 4 minutes of cooking on both sides. Remove them. I've got some sweet chilli sauce on the side, and it really is as simple as that. Look at that. My mouth is watering. It's like a meaty version of a Thai fish cake, and that toasted crunch from the rice, oh, really makes it. If you like this recipe, want to learn more, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, ding, hit that notification bell, and we'll see you next time.